All right, guys, so here's a quick guide of how to activate the proximity locking on your BMW. Now, this is going to work with any BMW with the iDrive 8 system or this curved display screen. You can have your vehicle automatically unlock when you walk away and automatically lock when you get towards it. From the main menu, you want to tap on the sub-menu button, go down to vehicle apps to just filter out a couple of them. You're going to go into doors and windows here, and then you're going to come over to where it says comfort access. Now, you can do this one of two ways. You can either just press right here on these tabs, and that's both of them are engaged, but maybe you don't want it to unlock as you're approaching and you only want a safety to lock while you're walking away. You can engage each one of them separately. You can also click in here and then also click the same thing, but there's really no need to go into that menu. You can just click it there. And as an additional thing, you can also get a digital key that you can put into your cell phone and have your cell phone do the unlocking for you. There's a few other things that you can do, like right here when it automatically unlocks, will it do the driver's door only or all the doors? Will it sound flash when it's doing it, so when you walk away you know? I like to just engage all of these. And there you go. That is how you do the proximity locking on the new BMW with the iDrive 8 system. Personally, that's one of my favorite features of this car, the fact that it automatically locks behind you as you walk away from it. You never have to take your key fob out of your pocket or your purse. If you guys found this video useful, please smash the like button and consider subscribing if you want to stay up to date with the how-to videos on BMWs. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.